Colour can completely transform how your video looks and feels. With Pictory's AI-powered colour palette feature, you can instantly apply professional, cohesive colour schemes across your videos. Let's take a look at how it works. When creating a new project in Pictory, whether you choose text to video, PPT to video, URL to video, or any other workflow, you'll reach the theme selection step. Each theme includes a colour curated palette, designed for a specific look and mood. When you select a theme, its colour palette is automatically applied across your video. However, if you choose none, you can still apply a palette later inside the editor. Now let's say your storyboard is already created and you want to change the colours. Inside the video editor, go to the left menu and click on the Styles tab. Then open the Colour Palette section to view the available palette library. Click on any palette to apply it. You can choose to apply it to just one scene or apply it to all the scenes in your project. This instantly updates text, backgrounds, graphic elements, overlays, and visual accents to create a cohesive look. Each palette includes multiple colour combinations. On a scene, click the shuffle icon to cycle through variations within the same palette. This affects only that scene. Pretty cool, right? If needed, you can also manually adjust individual elements like text colour or overlays for complete creative control. For consistent branding, you can create a custom colour palette using brand kits. Go to brand kits from the sidebar, click Create a Brand, and add your brand name, logo, fonts, and up to 7 brand colours. Once saved, you can apply your brand kit during project creation or from the branding tab inside the editor. Using the colour palette feature helps strengthen brand recognition, improve visual harmony, and save hours of manual design work. That's how you instantly transform your videos using Pictory's colour palette feature.